Do you feel the vibes? It's time for the tour snorkel thing. We're off.
That cat was
I can't.
Look! Oh, there's so many right here. Yay!
It's not the smallest kind of dolphin in the world or anything, but it's the smallest kind of dolphin.
Oh, there's one coming right here by the boat.
Just look straight down below you, right after. They're going to be right below you.
Oh, it's so cute.
There's other kinds of spinners throughout
Oh, we're gonna sit.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, right there. Oh yeah, there is. Right out the front.
That's so cool.
Now you know why I want to come back as a dolphin in my next life.
There's like tons. Like, look
Oh
at
yeah,
all that.
yeah. This is a big pond.
Oh, Trace, look.
So like I was saying, they're actually resting right now.
Yes, jump up. It's okay. Yes. They're so cute. Oh my god. Yes, be a dolphin. Jump up. When I am on the boat, so I can see.
So cool.
So that's so weird that half the brain is asleep and then half is awake. Weird.
They hunt all night for squid. So come in the afternoon, you won't see them. So the morning tour, just one thing good about the morning tour, you see a lot of dolphins in the morning, especially the spinners.
Gosh, they're beautiful.
See, when they do a tail slap, they're slapping their tail. This guy is not his tail.
Oh, really?
all day. Like,
Scientists, we ask the scientists, why do they spin? Kind of green, man. That,
It's just like straight
Kinda green,
flat.
kind of green.
Well, we can't see the bottom, you guys. So, although
This was a lava tube.
60 to 100 feet deep, we're looking at crystal clear details at the bottom.
Looks so fake.
It's a different perspective.
Is it just dark for you?
This is Kaua'i, accessible by foot. Rated 9, difficult. 11.5 miles high.
Can't believe Jurassic Park was filmed there.
The trees over there. You see the trees at sea level. That's the end of the road, Kaua'i Beach.
And it ends here.
The trail ends here, the 11.5 mile high. There's a 2-mile.
What do you think of the tour so far?
It's cute.
Can't wait to see the caves. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's waves. Oh, dude.
Look at the bird. This is Bob's second time doing this, so no, I'm just kidding.
This is Bob's second time doing this.
You video, buddy?
Yeah. Oh man.
Do people ever flip down?
No.
No?
I never did see anyone jump on that. It's kind of shallow right there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You see all those rocks too? I'm afraid one.
we're hearing noises now this year that we've never heard before. I guess never heard them.
We got a boat coming up in back of us, so his engines might cut off the sound of the whale, but those are whales making noise right now. We're starting to pick up the engine sound from this boat right there.
Yes, I think it's tuna.
Oh! Okay, switch out that lure. Switch out that lure. I got another one. Throw this one on. Careful. That's a rainbow runner, you guys. Come on, that's a beautiful fish. Hold that. Get by the gills. There you go. Just get by that gill plate. Show everybody that guy won't bleed anywhere. Here's this one. Here's that. Switch him out. Beautiful fish. Yeah. It's called, that's like our Hawaiian version of salmon. The animal guy,
I'm ending today's vlog that you guys see the next day just because we got home late and I was just tired and we got sunburnt a lot, like even, I don't know if you guys can see my knee, but it's sunburnt. But I'm gonna end the vlog. At the end of this trip, when I get home, I'm gonna be doing like a video of all the GoPro stuff I got, so stay tuned for that. We did a lot of cool things on the boat that you guys didn't see on this video because I filmed it on my GoPro, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short. My vlogs have been kind of short lately. It's just because I've been trying to get GoPro footage, but I can't put it in my vlog just because I don't have a computer and an SD card with me. But anyways, peace out, guys.
Do you feel the vibes?